So we're having a problem with our moles. As you can see, I've got scissor traps, 2 of them here, and they keep dry firing and I keep missing them. I used, oh, I just stepped into another mole hole. This is lovely. I used the spring spike trap, and I used it one time and I got 1 mole in the last 24 hours. So I will be buying another one of these guys because they're minimally invasive to the grass, whereas the scissor trap kind of opens up a big wide area underneath the ground. And so far I'm, you know, one try, 1 mole with the spring spike trap versus my scissor traps have been missing the moles.